Hi student, this is Kadirvel, Max teacher, grade 6. Express as decimals. Question number 1. 3 ones and 5 tenths. According to the place value, here 3 ones can be written 3 into 1 plus 5 tenths. So 5 into 1 by 10. So 3 into 1 equal to 3 plus 5 into 1 by 10 equal to 5 by 10. So the decimal value is 3 is a whole part, that is integral part, and 5 by 10 is a decimal part. So the decimal value of the given number is 3.5. Question number 2. 34 ones, 7 hundredths. 34 ones, 7 hundredths. Here 34 ones, this can be written 3 tens and 4 ones. So we have to write 3 into 10 plus 4 into 1. Then 7 hundredths. Here no tenth place values. So we have to write 0 into 1 by 10 plus hundreds can be written 7 into 1 by 100. So now 3 into 10 can be written 30 plus 4 into 1 equal to 4 plus 0 into anything equal to 0 by 10 plus 7 by hundreds. The respective decimal value of the given question is 30 plus 4 equal to 34. So that is the integral part. Then decimal part 7 by hundreds. Here no tenth place. So we have to write 34.07. Question number C. 3 plus 8 by 10 plus 7 by 100. Here integral part is 3. Then decimal part. Decimal part tenth followed by hundreds. So the respective decimal value of the given number is 3.87. Question number D. 700 plus 50 plus 4 by 10 plus 9 by 1000. Here hundreds plus 50. So there is no ones place. So we have to write 700 plus 50 equal to 750. So this is the integral part followed by decimal part. So 750.4 by 10. So 4. Here there is no hundredth place. So 0. Then 9 by 1000 equal to 9. So the respective decimal value of the given number is 750.409. Next, between which two decimal on the number line of following? Question number 1, 0.8. So according to the number line, we have to take 10th place. 10th place is given, so 0.8. So we have to start the number line 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9 and so on. So the question is 0.8. So 0.8 lies between 0.7 and 0.9. Question number 2. 0.03. According to the question, here given 100th place value. So we have to start 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, 0.05 and so on. Now the given question is 0.03. So 0.03 is lies between 0.02 and 0.04. Question number 3, 1.35. So here integral part as well as decimal part. In decimal places, given number is 100th place. So we have to start 1.32, 1.33, 1.34, 1.35, 1.36 and so on. So the given question is 1.35. So 1.35 is lies between 1.34 and 1.36. Fractions as decimals. So the given fraction is 7/5. So here denominator is 5. So we have to change the given denominator is 10, 100, 1000 and so on. So we have to multiple 5 into 2 by the denominator as well as numerator. So 7 2s are 14 and 5 2s are 10. Because we have to change denominator 10, then only we have to convert a decimal number of the given fraction. So 14 can be written 10 plus 4. So now denominator is common. So now we can apply individually. So 10/10 plus 4/10. So 10/10 is nothing but 1. 4/10 is a decimal part. So 1.4 is the respective decimal value of the given fraction. Question number 2. 3/2. So here denominator is 2. So we have to change denominator as 10. So now we have to multiple 5/5 because 2 5s are 10. So numerator also we can multiple 5. So 3 5s are 15 and 2 5s are 10. So again the 15 can be split 10 plus 5. Now 10 is common denominator. We have to apply the individually. So 10/10 plus 5/10. Now 10/10 is nothing but 1. Then 5/10 is a decimal part. So 1.5 is the respective decimal value of the given fraction. Now decimals as fractions. The given question is 3.5. So here the integral part is 3 and decimal part is 0.5. So 3 plus, so 5 is represented as 10th place. So we have to write 5/10. So the respective fraction value is 3 5/10. Second one, 44.01. Here integral part is 44. 44 means 4 tens and 4 ones. Then decimal part. Decimal part, the 10th place is 0. Then 100th place is 1. So the decimal part can be written 1/100. So the respective fraction value is 44 1/100. Next 1.72. Here the integral part is 1 and decimal part is 72. 72 is 7 tenth and 2 hundredths. So the respective fraction value is 1 7/10 and 2/100. So the fraction value is 172, that is 72/100. Next one, 0.001. Here decimal integral part is 0 only. Then decimal part 10th place 0. Then 100th place also 0. 1000 place is 1. So this 1 can be written 1/1000. So 0 plus 0/10 is 0. Then 0/100 is 0. Then 1/1000 is 1/1000. So the respective fraction value of the given decimal is 1/1000.